Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. Thank you all support us. No matter how small, I love the way my channel is growing, and I can't do it without you guys. That's why I use this avenue to always appreciate everyone that is fit to say what this young man grows. And I must appreciate you all. Good Lord also assists you in all their wins and all the things that you want to venture into. You have to multiply. So this phone I'm pointing in this place. You see this phone? This phone was brought to me, let me say, about 3 months ago. 3 months ago. When the customer brought the phone, he showed me the phone. I've worked on the phone before. So he said the phone is not coming on. So I took the phone, then I opened the phone. I found out that the phone fell down. So this clip under here is a screen clip. So the clip is not connected and the battery is very low. So what I did, I took the phone, told the man I'll work on it. So when I picked the phone, I clipped the screen and plugged in the battery. Then the phone started coming on. When I plugged it, it came on. Then I told him that the battery is swollen, so you can't continue to use that battery. We'll get another battery for the phone. He said okay. So when are you fixing the battery? He said he don't know yet, but I should just hold it. I come back tomorrow. I should take his phone number. So we exchanged phone number. He's Tecno K7. If you know K7, that is the first Spark, I guess. Spark 7. So he took the phone from me and I took the phone from him. So he left. Hoping for him to call, he did not call. And he didn't come back. So after like 2 months, he came back. He's not here. He came and said I should look for the phone. I should give him the phone. Meanwhile, I have arranged my office. You can see this is not my usual position. I did arrangements, so I have to take some things out of the office because it was actually jam-packed. So then he now said I should look for the phone. I spent minutes, almost up to an hour, looking for this phone. Finally I found it where I dropped it. Now he gave me the money to go and fix the battery. I've bought the battery. I inserted it on the phone. The phone is no longer coming on. So I removed the panel. This is the PCB. I removed the PCB. I used solution to wash it. I serviced it very well. Then I returned it to the chrome of the phone. Guess what? The phone did not still come on. As you can see now, even when you plug it on light, it can never come on. So right now I don't know what to do. So I don't know, what do you suggest I do for this client? What do you suggest for me to do? Because as you can see, it's never my fault. And what's in right here is what I can't do. I can't fix it. And he is saying he has very important documents on the phone. So I need your advice. What do you think? What do you want me to do? Should I give him back his money for the battery? Or I should just fix the battery and give him his phone? I just need your suggestion on this, my friends.